What happened after the Big Bang changed everything. Not just galaxies, not just stars, but you, me. All of this. The Big Bang wasn't just an explosion in space. It was the beginning of space itself. And in less than a trillionth of a second, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. This moment is called inflation. In that tiny fraction of time, the blueprint of the entire cosmos was written. Tiny quantum fluctuations, microscopic variations in energy, were stretched across the universe. Those tiny differences would later decide where galaxies would form, where stars would ignite, and eventually, where planets like Earth would exist. Then came the first few minutes. The universe was unimaginably hot, hotter than the core of any star. But as it expanded, it cooled, and within 3 minutes, the first atomic nuclei formed. Hydrogen, helium, the simplest elements, no planets, no life, just a sea of particles. For nearly 380,000 years, the universe was a glowing fog. Light couldn't travel freely. It was trapped. But then, something changed. Atoms finally formed, and for the first time in cosmic history, light was free to move. That ancient light is still traveling through space today. We call it the cosmic microwave background. It's a snapshot of the universe as a baby. Then came the Dark Ages. No stars yet, no galaxies, just darkness. And gravity quietly at work. Gravity began pulling matter together. Slowly, over millions of years, clouds of hydrogen collapsed. Pressure increased, temperature rose. And then, the first stars ignited. The universe lit up. Inside those stars, something extraordinary happened. They began forging heavier elements. Carbon, oxygen, iron. The ingredients for planets, the ingredients for life. When those first massive stars exploded, they scattered those elements across space. And from their ashes, new stars were born. New systems, new worlds. Billions of years later, in a quiet corner of the Milky Way, a small rocky planet formed around an ordinary star. On that planet, chemistry turned into biology. Biology turned into consciousness. And consciousness began asking questions. Questions like, where did we come from? Today, we build telescopes powerful enough to look back billions of years. We send probes beyond our solar system. We map galaxies. We search for other Earths, all because of a chain reaction that began 13.8 billion years ago, from a universe smaller than an atom to billions of galaxies, from pure energy to awareness. And here's the incredible part. Every atom in your body was forged in ancient stars, born from that first expansion. So when you look up at the night sky, you're not just observing the universe. You are the universe, trying to understand itself. And it all started with what happened after the Big Bang.